Picture this. You check your bank account and realize you spent over $300 last month on stuff you don't even remember buying. Sound familiar? Here's the crazy part. It's not your fault. Your brain is literally programmed to make you spend money, and companies are using psychological tricks to exploit it every single day. But in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it, and more importantly, how to stop it. Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Finance Simplified. And today we're talking about why you can't stop spending. And I'm giving you 3 simple fixes that actually work. If you're tired of wondering where your money went every month, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Problem number 1, the dopamine trap. First up, your brain is addicted to buying stuff. Every time you click buy now, your brain releases dopamine, same chemical that makes you feel good when you eat chocolate or scroll TikTok. And here's the kicker. Your brain releases it before you even get the thing. That moment when you're about to check out, that's the high. When the package arrives 3 days later, you barely care. Your brain got what it wanted, the rush of buying something. So what does it do? It makes you want to buy again. And online shopping makes this 10 times worse. One-click ordering, saved payment info, buy now, pay later. Everything is designed to give your brain that dopamine hit as fast as possible with zero friction. Think about it. When was the last time you actually had to think before buying something online? Exactly. The fix. Delete your saved payment info. All of it. If you have to manually type in your card number every single time, you'll actually pause and think, do I really need this? That 5-second delay is enough to break the impulse. Problem number 2, emotional spending. Next, retail therapy. We've all been there. Imagine this. Bad day at work? I deserve a treat. Stressed out? Just gonna browse online real quick. Bored on a Sunday? Shopping trip. Here's the thing. Shopping does make you feel better for about 20 minutes, but then the stress is still there. And now you've got buyer's remorse on top of it. Your brain starts to link negative emotions with spending money. So every time you feel bad, your automatic response becomes, buy something. It's like trying to fix a leak with a Band-Aid. It might cover it up, but it's not solving anything. A lot of people fall into this pattern. Every time they feel anxious or overwhelmed, they end up with random stuff in their cart that they didn't even want. The fix, the 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something that's not essential, wait 24 hours. If you still want it tomorrow, that's it. Go for it. But 90% of the time, you'll forget about it, or realize you were just buying it to feel better in the moment. Problem number 3, FOMO and scarcity. Last one, artificial scarcity. Only 2 left in stock. Sale ends at midnight. Limited edition. This creates FOMO, fear of missing out. Your brain panics and thinks, if I don't buy this right now, I'll never get it again. But here's the truth. There's always another sale. There's always another limited edition. Companies create fake urgency to pressure you into buying before you have time to think. Think about it. How many times have you seen 50% off, must buy now, and grab something you didn't actually need? The fear of missing the deal makes people spend money they weren't planning to spend. And social media makes this worse. You're scrolling, you see someone with something cool, and suddenly you want it too. You're comparing yourself to people's highlight reels without even realizing it. The fix. Ask yourself one simple question. Would I buy this at full price right now if there was no sale and no urgency? If the answer is no, you don't actually want it. The deal isn't saving you money, it's making you spend money you weren't going to spend. Bonus fix. Automate everything. Here's the ultimate hack. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers the day you get paid. Move money to savings or investments before you even see it in your checking account. If the money's not sitting there tempting you, you won't spend it. Out of sight, out of mind. This is one of the most powerful strategies because it removes willpower from the equation entirely. You're not relying on yourself to be good every month. The system does it for you automatically. Recap and call to action. All right, quick recap. Problem 1, dopamine trap to fix. Delete saved payment info. Problem 2, emotional spending to fix. 24-hour rule. Problem 3, FOMO and scarcity to fix. Ask if you'd buy it at full price. Bonus, automate your savings so you never see the money. Pick one of these and try it this week. Just one. That's all you need to start. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Finance Simplified for more no BS money answers.